Good morning students. Today we are doing worksheet number 17, square root and square word problems. Okay, we are going to do word problems which are based on square root and square of numbers. Dear students, Rohit is the monitor of all sections of class 8. He wants to conduct a prayer at the assembly area of his school. He wants the students to stand in such a way that the number of rows is as much as the number of rows in a row. Okay, understand it very clearly. The number of rows is as much as the number of rows in a row. That means if I am making number of, it should be actually students. Number of students in a row. If I am going to make 2 students stand in a row, okay, 2 students are standing in a row, then I have to make 2 rows only. That means total number will be 2 cross 2, 4. If 3 students are standing in a row, then I have to make 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. That means total students will be 3 cross 3, 9. Okay. Number of students in one row should be equal to number of rows. Okay, these are students. This word is student. If the total number of students is 1764, then how many rows will Rohit make? Let's help Rohit in this work. Okay, so let's start. So, what is given? First, number of students. So, how many students are there? Number of students is given to be 1764. And what is given? What we have to remember? Number of students in one row should be equal to number of rows. So let the number of rows be equal to x. We are assuming that the number of rows is x. Therefore, number of students in each row, that will be also equal to x, and total students, what will be the total students? Because in each row, number of rows is x, and in each row x students are standing. That means total number will become x square, x into x. So what does it mean? X square is equal to, what are the total number of students? 1764. So how we are going to find the number of x? X means number of rows or number of students in each row. It will be square root of 1764. So we can find it easily. 2 methods we are having, prime factorization method as well as long division method. Actually, long division method is quite easy because it doesn't take much time. So let's start with long division method. This is the number. I am making pair of 2, 2 right from the end. Now first pair is 17. That means we have to find a number whose square is either equal to 17 or less than 17. We know 16. 16 is the square number, perfect square, which is just less than 17, nearer to 17. So 4. We know 4 4s are 16. Okay, beta. So 1, and this becomes 164, and 4 plus 4, it becomes 8. Now we have to fill this box. We have to fill these 2 boxes with the same number. एक ही नंबर से हमें फिल करना है बेटा, आप लोग को बताया भी था बहुत अच्छी तरह उस दिन. एक ही नंबर से फिल करना है एंड लास्ट में 4 चाहिए. So 4 means we are having 2 options, either 2, 2 2s are 4, or 8 8s are 64. So let's start with 2. If I am filling this with 2, I am checking it with 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. I am getting the same number as required. So what we have to fill over here? 2 and 2. तो 2 2 ज़ा 4 एंड 2 8 ज़ा 16. ठीक है बेटा, दैट मीन्स 42. 42 स्क्वायर रूट आ गया. फिर से समझ लीजिए बेटा एक बार, 1764 था, हम लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड से कर रहे हैं तो हमें दो दो के पेयर बनाने हैं. हम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम वंस डिजिट, एक पेयर ये हो गया, एक पेयर ये हो. नाउ 17 इज द फर्स्ट पेयर, सो हमें ऐसा नंबर चाहिए, स्क्वायर नंबर, परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर विच इज ईदर इक्वल टू 17 और लेस देन 17. वी नो 16. 16 इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर एंड इट इज स्क्वायर ऑफ 4. सो 4 4 इज 16. एक रह गया बेटा, 1 इज रिमेनिंग. डिवीजन में हम एक एक नंबर उतारते हैं. यहाँ वी हैव टू कॉपी डाउन द होल पेयर. हमने पेयर को कॉपी डाउन कर लिया बेटा, और यहाँ पे 4 + 4 8. हम थोड़ा सा दूर लिखते हैं बिकॉज हियर वी हैव टू फिल द सेम नंबर इन दिस बॉक्सेस. चेक करेंगे बेटा एंड दिस बिकम्स 2. 2 से हमने चेक किया, सेम नंबर वी आर गेटिंग, सो वी फिल दिस बॉक्स बाई 2 एंड 2 इज रिटन ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. सो स्क्वायर रूट बिकम्स 42. दैट मीन्स what we have to find, how many rows will Rohit make. So number of rows is x and x becomes 42. So our answer becomes number of rows. Number of rows is equal to 42. This is how we have to do questions based on, okay, so this is how we have done question based on square root. Now next question is how we are going to check, what are the steps to check whether any number is a perfect square or not. So first step is factorize the given number into prime factors, okay, by this method. Then make pairs of prime factors. If each different prime factor has pair, no number is left unpaired, then the number is perfect square. And if any one of the number is left, take one number from each pair and multiply this, we will get the square root of the given number. And if any one of the number is left without having pair, then it is not a perfect square. Let's start with 16. So 16 is divisible by 2. 2 8 is 16 beta. Then again by 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. So, okay, after finding the prime factors, I am making pair of it. Now all the numbers, all 2's are in pair. No number is left over here. That means 16 is a perfect square. We all know 4 square is 16. Or we can write square root of 16 is 4. In either way we can say square root of 16 is 4 और 4 स्क्वायर है 16. दोनों बातें एक ही हैं बेटा. हम क्या कह सकते हैं, 4 का स्क्वायर कितना है 16, या 16 का स्क्वायर रूट है 4. ओके, सिमिलरली अगर 18 का बेटा निकाल के देखें, 18 is again divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. 3 का तो पेयर है बट 2 is left unpaired. 2 का कोई पेयर नहीं है बट 3 का पेयर है. दैट मीन्स 18 is not a perfect square number. 18 का स्क्वायर नहीं हो सकता. It is not a perfect square. Okay, so now let's do this question. Find the largest 3-digit number which is also a perfect square number. So largest 3-digit number what we know is 999. This is the largest 3-digit number. So we are going to find its square root. So again we are finding by long division method. So I have made the pair right from ones digit. This is first pair and this is other one. So perfect square either equal to 9 or less than 9. ठीक है बेटा, 9 के बराबर है, 9 से छोटा, तो 3 से चला गया. 3 3s are 9. नाउ कॉपी डाउन द अदर पेयर. उसको कॉपी करके लिखिए 99 और ये हो गया बेटा आपका. आपने ऐड करके जब लिखा 3 and 3 is 6. आई हैव लेफ्ट सम स्पेस ओवर हियर. ना सभी को पता है इस बॉक्स में हमें सेम नंबर फिल करना है बेटा. तो आई एम चेकिंग विद 1 बिकॉज बहुत छोटा नंबर है. 1 से हमने स्टार्ट किया. 1 1s are 1 and 6 1s are 6. 61. नाउ आई एम चेकिंग विद 2. अगर मैं दोनों बॉक्सेस में 2 फिल कर दे रही हूँ देन व्हाट हैपेंड. 2 2s are 4 and 2 6s are 12. Now this number is greater than this. That means it will become, we have to fill it with 1. 61. 9 minus 1 is 8 and this is 3. 38. So it has become 31. Point we have to leave. Point. Again we'll be copying down it and finding it out like this. दैट मीन्स 31 पॉइंट समथिंग आएगा. बट what is written, find the largest 3-digit number which is also perfect square number. So that means 999 is not a perfect square number because it's coming 31 point something. We have to solve more. इसको और solve करना पड़ेगा बेटा. तो इसका मतलब है जो 31 का जो स्क्वायर होगा that is a perfect square number. 31, okay. 31 is less than 31.607 which is square root of 999. तो उससे छोटा जो नंबर होगा इंटीजर बेटा 31 इज द इंटीजर स्मॉलर देन 31.607. इसका जो स्क्वायर होगा दैट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो विल बी फाइंडिंग 31 स्क्वायर. 31 स्क्वायर मीन्स यू ऑल नो स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नंबर मीन्स नंबर हैज टू बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई इटसेल्फ. सो आप अपने आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लोगे बेटा. सभी को पता हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई दीज टू नंबर्स एंड द आंसर विल बी 961. That means 961 is the smallest 3-digit number which is a perfect square. 999 बेटा 3-digit का सबसे छोटा नंबर है जो perfect square भी है. Okay, this is how we have to do the question.